okay? I will pick here some of the cases just for you to see the results. So this is the endpoint where you get the results. And let me put here side by side with the document, okay? For the sake of being transparent, all these documents were documents that I found in Google, so there's no security or privacy issue here. If you search in Google, probably you find the same documents. And in this case, you see that the response has a lot of different other information, but the most important part is the data part of the JSON, where you'll find the birth date, the nationality, the document number, the name and surname, the expiry date, the gender. Okay, so these are the information that you are seeing here. It's important to notice that you see here that there are already standardizations and format conversions, which means that we don't return the data as a string as it is written on the document. We return it in a canonical format, which makes much more sense because probably different ID cards may have different formats for dates, and you don't want to handle that in the integration part. So we do this kind of conversion to make it more simple and more easy for you to handle this. Let's pick another example. And in this case, you see here that you start to have watermark overlaps, so things become more difficult to read, even for a human. And I will query this document ID. And once again, you have a lot of fields and data information, but please focus on the data part of the JSON. And once again, you see here that the data was accurately extracted, although you see here that the gender and the labels and the format changed and is not equal to the last one. Just to be also transparent, we did not train this in any way before submitting this document.